7 aspects of home mortgage refinance. Description: everything you ever wanted to know about home mortgage refinance is right here. Given in 7 easy points, this bird's eye view will definitely come in handy. They say nothing is certain but death and taxes. And if you own a home, or plan to, then you can probably add mortgage to that list. Most homes around the world are bought on mortgage today. The property in question itself remains as collateral. Here, the principal sum is the original amount of the loan that was issued, with an additional annual interest rate imposed on this sum. The mortgage is most commonly paid every month. While mortgage has made it possible for people to become homeowners, those who are unfortunately unable to clear the loan often lose the home to the lender. A home mortgage refinance can be a debt consolidation process of sorts, since it allows you to get a secured loan so that you may be able to use it to pay off other smaller and existing loans that you already have too. The advantages of a home mortgage refinance become especially clear when it is compared to existing loans. For example, although this is a new loan on its own, it could offer a lower interest rate but also help you to pay off other smaller loans with a greater interest rate. It could also be paid off in a longer duration of time as opposed to your other existing loans. 3. Usually a lender offering home mortgage refinance requires the borrower to pay upfront a certain percentage of the total loan being availed. Each point refers to a single percent of the total loan amount, and the interest you are required to pay will most likely be lower if you have paid more points in the initial phase. 5. Keep in mind that the lender who offers the lowest interest rate might not necessarily be the best mortgage refinance option. You have to also make sure that you are not overpaying on the lending fees or the closing costs. 6.